What's up, guys? Joe Drake here with your guys' Axiom move of the week, and I want to show you guys how to do the NT loop deadlift. So, could be done with the normal super band, but my man Nick Timonella is also the one who showed me this, so I only found it appropriate to use the NT loop for it as well. All right, so to get set up here, we're actually going to cross this back over. So you're going to get inside of the loop. I'm going to take a step on top of the loop, leaving a decent amount of slack in between, and that's going to change how much tension it gives us. And then I'm going to take that last part of the band, and I'm going to put it underneath my foot. Right now, from there, I've got options as far as how many of those bands I want to pull up on to create that tension. But just to start, I'm going to grab one band, I'm going to flatten out my back, drive my feet through the ground, and squeeze my glute to the top. So I love it because especially with that elastic resistance, you get a little added tension up top, but it's easier on the body at the bottom. So give it a try if you guys have an NT loop or even if you just have a super band. Try that setup and let us know what you think.